Hello friends, how are you again today? Here's another refrigeration HVAC mechanic lead seal review questions. It's now multiple choice set number 26, and I'm gonna proceed right away to number 1. Fan static pressure varies directly as the blank of the RPM ratio. A square, B cube, C square root, D inverse. Correct answer is A square. Number 2. What is the slope angle of a smoke chamber from smoke shaft to flue opening? A 10 degrees, B 30 degrees, C 45 degrees, or D 25 degrees. Correct answer is C 45 degrees. Number 3. How many minutes does the fireman switch allow the circulator pump to continue operating after the heater shut off? A 10, B 15, C 25, D 30. Correct answer is B 15. Number 4. Water spray temperature in a humidifier is above the temperature at which the air will A. Condense, B. Freeze, C. Vaporize, or D. Circulate. Correct answer is A. Condense. Number 5. Double pipe condenser is also called blank condenser. A. Gas cooled, B. Air cooled, C. Radiation, or D. Water cooled. Correct answer is D. Water cooled condenser. Number 6. When evaporator is higher than condensing unit, CU, the suction line should be sloped downward towards the condensing unit by how much? A 1/4 inch per foot, B 1/2 inch per foot, C 1/3 inch per foot, or D 3/8 inch per foot. Correct answer is A 1/4 inch per foot. Number 7. The float valve blank on rise in liquid level in float chamber. A closes, B equalizes, C opens, or D fluctuates. Correct answer is C opens. Number 8. Blank occurs when a conductor in an AC circuit is wound into a coil and produces an electromotive force EMF that opposes the supply voltage. A. Impedance, B. Capacitance, C. Inductive reactance, or D. Resistance. Correct answer is C. Inductive reactance. Number 9. When a refrigerant blank, it releases heat energy. A. Condenses, B. Is compressed, C. Freezes, or D. Evaporates. Correct answer is A. Condenses. Number 10. In order to increase the efficiency The temperature difference between the ambient air and the refrigerant must be A. Increased, B. Reduced, C. Balanced, or D. Not considered. Correct answer is B. Reduced. Okay. Hope you learned something from this set. Happy reviewing. Cheers. And I'll see you again in the next video. Okay, cheers and have a good one.